Well, kia ora mai tātou, and how's my mask, eh? Oh gosh, I think I'm going to be wearing this one, you know, even when the coronavirus is over. We are in isolation at the moment, and hey, darling, those ones. We put together fabulous kaumatua, KK care packs, kaumatua queer care packs. Gotta love it. How about this isolation, eh? We really wouldn't know the difference. I don't think most will know the difference, eh? Yeah, we've been like this since Nam. I mean, let's be real. We're coming from the garden. We're preserving in our jars. We're coming from the fruit trees. I mean, this is real Adam and Eve stuff. I mean, we're coming from the real cupboard, which is our moana. Hey, how's your moana? How's your sea? How's your fish? Hey, how's your scallops? How's your oysters? How's your kinners? How's your crays? How's your packles? I'm going to show you a few little things that we've been doing here. I mean, we live the isolated life anyway. We're like the queens of isolation here in Te Rāwhiti. Hello. And kia ora mai tātou. Okay, we're back to those packs, and this is what we're working with. All done in 10 minutes now. Water, I tell you now, one of the first things that came through, hey, how's your water? Everyone's got a kumara hau. Now, this is what we're up to here in Te Rāwhiti. That and the super tonic that my auntie makes, which is fabulous. This in kumara hau, I'm telling you, nobody is getting COVID-19 now. Look at that. Oh, 101. You can't go wrong. But my ultimate favourite here, this one, kumara hau and manuka. You only need a little bit. It's potent as, a bit like the COVID, but for the good. Okay, now, moving on. Let's see. Cards menu. Have a game? Hey? No, we ain't got time. Okay, now, rice. Everybody needs rice, especially a medium one, because the Māori love a little rice pudding, especially the nannies. Oh, look at that. I won't even turn the box around. Look, you know what that orange box is? There's the yeast and the flour. Look at this. Oh, realistic. You live here and you don't have that, you're out. Oh, long life milk. Now, everybody has long life milk, eh? But they just don't use it until now. But you got to get you some. Now, tortillas. Oh, we thought of the kids, you know. We thought of the kids of this generation because they just don't get with the Māori kai sometimes, eh? The relish. We've got to move on. Look, this is how we roll here in Te Rāwhiti. The tomatoes are gorgeous. We make relish. We make pickles. We also make some marmalade. See that? Anna? See that? Even the date is legit. Okay, now, my ultimate favourite. This, pears. Just done yesterday, in fact, from my cousin. She is amazing. And these are her pears from off her tree. And she preserved them just in a minute. Look at that. You can have the best of both worlds. Oh, let us not show you the third world. Okay, just like that. Fijoas, of course, kia ora uncle with your limes, and kia ora nan with her avocados. Broccoli, collie, goes with the soup. Make it go it. Onion. Everybody need onion, y'all. Coconut cream. I know it's a small can, but aroha mai. Too rich for you, nanny? Papa? Celery, keeping it fresh or else you're going to get a patu. This is one thing we need. Everybody has it on a weekly. Spud, carrots. You've got to get it. Now, the honey. How about that jar though, eh? Those ones. Anyone thought we bought that one online? The home kill sausages. My dad. He'd be so proud of me. Kia ora mum. Packing the little mints. Hey, those ones. Oh, gosh. I love it. You know, goes with the rice. Now, this is why we're here. We survive from the moana. See that? Fish in a bag. We even wrote Piki Te Ora on it. Look at it. Have you ever seen a vacuum bag of fish here in Rāwhiti? No, never. Until COVID came. Hey, you know all about it. Hey, the common seal. Look at that. Rāwhiti. That's a magnet, everybody. Anyone think we're urban? Hey, we're hearty over here. See that? Rāwhiti. Hey, the fish. See that? This is how we survive here. Fish in that water. Me, you, everybody else. We're all together. Okay, now, this is just a few items, all put together in like 10 minutes from a holla. I love it. You can do it too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed these fabulous tips, eh, darling? You're going to love it, eh? Those ones. Mow your wehi or stay home and mow your lawn for once.